Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the lowest common denominator, or LCD. The bottom of a fraction is called the denominator. So to find the lowest common denominator, look for the lowest number that all the denominators can divide into. Here's an example: 1/4 and 1/12. 4 and 12 are our denominators, so we must think about the times tables for 4 and 12. We start with the 4 times table because it's a smaller number. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. This should start ringing alarm bells because we're about to move on to our 12 times tables. 12 times 1 is 12, and since 12 appears in both lists, it becomes our new denominator, our lowest common denominator. We originally started off with 1/4 on the left, but the denominator has changed, so we must find the equivalent fraction. 4 times 3 gave us 12, which is our new denominator. So 1, our original numerator, times 3 gives 3, our new numerator. So we move on to another example. Here we have 1/6 and 1/18. 6 and 18 are our denominators, so we must think about the times tables for 6 and 18. We start off by looking at our 6 times tables because it's a smaller number. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. This should immediately start ringing bells because we're about to look at our 18 times tables. 18 times 1 is 18, and since 18 appears in lists, we can use it as our lowest common denominator. 18 becomes our new denominator, and we must find the equivalent fraction for 1/6, which was originally on the left. 6 times 3 gives 18, so our old numerator 1 times 3 gives our new numerator 3. Now, what do we do if the denominators are not multiples of each other? Here we have 1/4 and 1/3, so we multiply the denominators of each fraction together. Here we have 4 and 3, so 4 times 3 gives 12. This is our new denominator. We then find the equivalent fractions. The equivalent of 1/4 is 3 over 12, and the equivalent of 1/3 is 4 over 12. Here's another example: 1/7 and 1/4. 4 times 7 gives us 28. The equivalent of 1/7, which was originally on the left, is now 4 over 28. And the equivalent of 1/4, which was originally on the right, is 7 over 28. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.